Yeah, this time he has even more. But hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play some micro dinner, continuing our journey of doing 100%. Okay, so I guess we go this.
We have to go to the submarine, right? Follow me, I'm here.
No, we don't need to go to the submarine. We're supposed
I
to.
not the somebody in the lighthouse. Lighthouse,
Yeah.
same thing as somebody.
No, it's not the same thing.
Then I need 20 more chicken.
Okay, you grind chicken.
From here, go to the lighthouse. Come here, up here.
Okay.
What are you going to give me there?
No, you don't have to talk to that guy. Go get some chicken.
You shouldn't talk to him.
Eh. Oh. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do some platforming. Okay. How do you do go in this game? Bob, okay. Get up. Yes, Bob, okay. I'm climbing up to the top. No, I fell. I fell. You climb here. Okay, I pressed the wrong button. Bro, we're going up the thing. Not the lighthouse. We're going up the castle to see what's up there.
Why? How did you do?
I don't know. I'm just gliding. 1 minute.
No,
I'll
you
be back.
shouldn't. I know the way to the castle, bro. We need 500 chicken to go to the castle. No, I didn't want to press that button. Oh, we have to go to that house. By mistake, I pressed my dive button. It's a very hard option. I'm trying to get scrap. Okay, well, I can't find it. I got all my chicken from the stores. I'm almost at the thingy. What do we call that? Yeah, the castle. Can I make this jump? See, I can. Yes.
Sorry guys, I just went AFK. Okay.
I can't make this.
What did?
Let's go.
I'm
Let's go. I want it. Oh, bro. I can get the rocket boosters now.
What do you mean?
I can now run on water with the rocket boosters if you have some.
You guys. No way. You need 500 chickens.
I know. I have 350 right now.
Bro, you need to get 500.
Oh, no way. No way.
What?
I got the turbo boost.
How are you getting this stuff?
See, there are 3 chests around the map that you have to find. I found all 3 to get turbo wheel upgrade.
How?
Wait, 1 minute. I didn't grab such. No, look at this shit. Bro, no, I was the shop like, where is the crash? Look at this. You see this? Whenever I roll, I can boost now. Look at this. And I can now boost flexing.
How?
I can take this very somewhere. It's kinda hard to do it, but it's not hard to do it. It's kinda hard to do it when you guys are in my hand. Bro, this is way easier for traveling through water.
Bro, you're like.
Where are you guys?
You can just permanently walk. Dang.
Yeah, I can walk on water now. I'm Aquaman. Oh, I crashed.
Ayansh, wait, can you help us find it? Can you help us?
Okay, where are you guys?
Wait, I'm coming to. Wait, come to the first area where we got our first chicken dinner. I mean, microwave dinner.
Yeah, one is around that area.
Okay, where are you?
Huh. I'm here. Where are you both?
I'm right here.
Should you both come? No, not bad. Only you and should we wait for Krishna?
Let's wait for Krishna, but wait, Krishna, the first one is behind the hotel, the first area. Okay, open. What's this? Scrap?
Why did I want to be here?
Okay.
You already done.
No, one is bro. We'll tell you. Bro, you're fast. Bro, Krishna, the first one is like behind the first area. Yeah, the first area.
It's behind the first area in the sand. Oh wait, if you like walk on this bush, you can get chicken. If you walk on this, you get chicken. On this.
Oh yeah. Krishna, here.
Yes, Krishna. You guys follow me.
Okay. Whee. Who?
Now you jump on this. I can go road for it. You need to jump on this house. Now jump on this house. You will not bad you. Now you come to the tunnel. You jump on this big tree.
Okay.
Now you jump over here, jump and hover. Double jump, Krishna. Okay. Double jump and hover. Wait for Krishna.
Okay, now.
Now you have to wait. No, we're not. Jump with us. Wait.
Bro, we are waiting.
Double jump.
Yeah.
Yes. Now come here. Double jump and hover again.
No! You better wait.
Yeah. Look at this, Krishna. Oh, I fell down. I got stuck. What?
Huh?
Now what to do, sir? Raman.
Yeah.
First, you go to, where the 500 area is, the 500 chicken area?
Yeah.
You have to go there.
Oh, okay.
Why? Because around the places, there are, around the lighthouse also there is.
I'm going to the 500 area.
No, wait for us.
Okay, wait. I'm just gonna go there. Go. Go dive. Yeah, made it. I found it. It's a gold one.
Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah, it is gold.
I'm just boosting myself.
Let's go. I got it.
You need to get another chest.
Okay, I know.
It's near the lighthouse.
Ayansh, can you teach him just because I can't get back up?
Okay. It's near the lighthouse, the last chest.
Okay.
Well, come here.
Wow! We are killing.
Don't jump off, don't jump off. Now, you jump and hover again. Now you come here. Now you come here, down here. Now you open this chest. Okay, now onward. Come here, follow me. We do this obby. Can you do this? I'm just gonna roll and then do. Okay. Huh?
Bro, this is so hard. Oh,
So this is hard.
I don't know. We're upgrading this. Okay, which is good.
What? Oh yeah, this is impossible.
Bro, just go the other way around.
Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah, there's another way, another area you can go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Instead of doing the hobby, you can just go like on the sand.
Oh.
That's the way I went. But there's a hobby there, which is I think easier than the other one. Okay, now guys, we're gonna zip across the water. Let's go. Whee! Oh yeah.
So you got it? Okay, so where is this crab?
So, yeah, made it. I see the chest. I see the chest.
Come here.
Time to get the upgrade. Yes! Yes! We got it! Oh, we need to go talk to
Now
Junkbot.
you roll down from here. Roll, okay, like this. Roll down from here also.
Yeah, I'm here. Let's go.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now you can have. Now you coming? Yeah, I'm here. Now you come here.
Wee!
Here.
I bumped. Roll.
Now. Do that all need to reset? No, where's the jump ball? Which one?
The
Jump
Junkbot.
ball.
I'll show you guys. He's near the hat machine.
Yeah. Come here. Follow me. It's an easy way to get there. Are you there?
Almost.
He was somewhere around here. Where's the hat bot?
It's like near the paint shop. I mean, it's near the hotel, the first starting area.
Yeah, I remembered.
Alright, he is. Here he is. Junkbot, I see you got the scraps I needed. Now, I'll build an upgrade. Just stand while I work my magic. Okay. Well, black darkness is your magic, I guess.
Down either.
How?
Because I couldn't do the hobby. So
Alright, all finished up. Now you'll be able to zoom across the island.
Because I want to replace.
You got the turbo wheel upgrade. Let's go. You got the turbo wheel upgrade. This is a boost while rolling.
No.
This is a replace.
See, so you want to take out the roll.
What?
So you have to roll and then click the button you press to roll.
Yeah.
Roll it, okay?
Yeah. You'll be so fast, you'll probably okay. Let's
If you press
go.
E to roll, then you roll. And then second time, press
way. What is this?
Yeah, look at me, girl.
What the heck?
Charlie, look at my hat. Look at my hat.
What?
Look at my hat. Look at my hat. You need to jump on at the same time.
How?
I got on a ticket.
Where? Wait, where did you find the chick? Where did you find the ticket?
I forgot. It was the shipwreck at the beach. Look at my hat. Look at my hat.
Boost! Boost! Oh my god! I can literally walk on water. I mean, roll.
I know, right? Look at me.
I'm gonna go searching for the shipwreck.
Let's go to the lighthouse. Come on, guys.
Wait, before we go there, I need some drip. I can't be going inside there with this clown drip.
Huh? Wait, I have infinite boost?
Yeah, infinite. Where the shipwreck?
31.
Which beach?
33.
I don't see, bro. There are so many beaches. What do you mean?
I forgot. It's okay. I'm ready first. Behind one of the hotels.
Okay.
With so much spoon, but I already collected them because now they're ghosts.
Yeah. Ghost chickens. Oh, I found it. I found a ticket.
Where?
I found the shipwreck. Yeah.
Where?
Where are you?
I'm near the somebody means the lighthouse.
Okay, I'm coming there.
Not the lighthouse. I'm near the lighthouse.
Okay, come to the lighthouse. Go to the lighthouse.
Not inside. I'm not gonna come there, but
Yeah, just go to the lighthouse island. I see you. Is that you?
I'm just yeah.
Okay, hello.
With a double turkey.
Okay, come here. Come here. This way. This way. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to go. Keep on going this way.
Huh?
How are you faster? Yeah, here, right here. Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to.
yeah. I'm going.
Where is it?
I'm trying to find that.
So now you're in the lighthouse, right? Yeah, it's here. Where?
Bro, we teleported all the way back here. Here, guys. Through this way.
I see it.
What? Bro, I just got teleported all the way back.
But if you crash, you see it. I made it.
Wait for me.
Oh, yeah. I opened mine. No, someone go to the outside. Don't go inside. I got a microwave dinner top hat.
Okay. I did it. I got a top hat. Let's go. Just like Krishna.
Hey, you. What if we got the same thing? I'll second also, bro.
Okay.
If you are not rather than mine, no.
I can't find the hat. Oh, I forgot to hatch it.
Your clown hat is rather than mine.
Clown hat?
Yeah.
How do? Okay. Go back. Yeah, time to hatch it. Time to hatch. Ayansh, move. Ayansh, move.
Hey, where are you going?
At the hat machine. Yo, finally we got some drip. We got some drip.
Where are you? Wait. Chill.
Sheesh, look at this drip. Sheesh. But I think I would prefer this.
Where?
I think I would prefer this. Yeah, this one looks nice. Okay, it's time to go inside the lighthouse.
How to put these stars?
The stars?
How to get stars?
You have to complete achievements.
I did, but I still have 0 stars.
Because you have to complete star related achievements.
Where are you?
Everyone will meet at the lighthouse. Come to the lighthouse.
Okay.
I'm just driving in the ocean. How nice. Bro, you don't even have to go on the island anymore. It's just so easy.
Yeah.
Now we are here at the island. Okay, I'm about to unlock it. 3, 2,
Yeah.
1. I unlocked it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ayansh, where are you?
Where are you guys? Let's go and do the first lighthouse.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. Oh yeah, unlocked it. Come. Ayansh, where are you? Where are you?
I'm coming to the lighthouse. Meet you guys at the lighthouse.
Okay.
Already here at the lighthouse. Come inside.
Okay, let's go inside.
I
Inside
crashed.
lighthouse. Oh my goodness, look at this. We just unlocked the lighthouse.
You know you can get free chicken behind the lighthouse.
This is a microwave dinner.
There's free chicken behind the lighthouse.
Ah, okay. Oh, I just broke the glass. Let's go.
There's 12 chicken behind the lighthouse. Just saying.
Okay. Bro, come inside the lighthouse.
Coming in. Oh, look at me.
What are you doing?
I'm doing.
I like this animation. I like this one. I like this one.
What?
I like this. Just goofy. It just looks goofy.
How do you close it again? How do you do it?
See, I guess. Yeah. Look at this. Look at me climbing the stairs. Bro, Ayansh, come on, let's go. Bro, Ayansh is speed. Oh, wait. I guess
Next thing I want to do is upgrade my flight.
you can't upgrade your flight.
You can. Bro, this is so rigged. Oh, you can do the job, bro.
Double jump.
No. It's only to jump once.
Huh?
I don't actually like them.
Am I hacking or something? Or are you guys hacking? I'm so high right now.
But I why you need me? But you can have to go with your mom.
Bruh, you did not know?
I don't know why that's happening.
Why?
Hey, yo, man. I think I was left in Ayansh.
What?
No, you guys left me. I'm never like Waiting for you guys.
Bro, what do you mean? Okay, fine. I'll wait for you guys. I'll wait for you.
Time? How do you get it? No, you have to come here from there only.
Ayans, jump on that brown part, the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that. Then go on to that ledge. Yeah. Now go on to that black thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, now come here. Now come here, Krishna. Double jump, hover, and dive.
Ah, bro, this game is actually so rigged. Dude, how is it going?
Bro, what do you mean? I'm just waiting right here. What are you doing there?
Please wait for us. I'm waiting for us. Wait for me, guys.
Okay.
So I'm waiting 7 months. Glide, bro.
Don't go. Ayans, come here. No! Bro, they made hover for a reason. Use your hover.
Exactly. My mom. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys want to wait for me, right?
Well, I'm waiting right here. Bro, Ayans, come here. Yes. Now you're supposed to jump up here, hover, and dive on that window. Dive on that window.
Wait.
There's a window right here, glass. Jump up, double jump, hover, and dive. Now you fall here. Now go. Yeah. Oh, I almost fell. Wait. Bro, Ayans, chill.
Chicken.
What's this?
If you break that, you get 11 chicken.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Damn, I thought I not doing away from me. Guys, bye.
Oh.
Bye.
Bro, I'm at the chicken dinner. I'm gonna wait for you. I mean, microwave dinner.
So can you click something else after the microwave dinner of the lighthouse?
Yeah, we're gonna complete this right now. So, after we complete this, we're gonna end the video, and that's all for episode 4.
Okay, bye. I'm thinking bye.
Bro, now what do you mean?
Welcome, can you just
Bro, wait. What about this microwave dinner? I'm getting it. I'm about to get the microwave dinner.
I'm gonna make it.
Make it up. Come on. I don't see you.
Because I'm also at the beginning.
Oh. So, should I get the microwave dinner?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Bro, I have a sus amount of chicken. 269 chicken. Let's go. Okay. How do you get these like
Wait.
paints?
Paint? I don't think you can. I've never really seen any microwave paint.
Bro, there's a thing called Lighthouse Speedster. Finish the level in under 40 seconds.
Yeah.
That's so less time. Bro. I don't know.
Name it like 3 minutes.
Huh?
5 minutes. I cannot complete this in my day. It's taking even 40 seconds. Hang on. It's fun. Like one. I can't complete 1 minute. It's like 1 minute, like 60 seconds. And then when we do it 40.
40, 40.
Yeah. I make it like 40 seconds.
14, now that's too hard.
I was just rage. If I was on a mission to complete all the achievements, I would just say, nah, I'm not doing this one.
Bro, we're gonna try to complete all of the achievements, okay?
Like everything.
Bro, we're trying to 100% the game. What do you mean? You have to complete every single
Can we
thing.
have to try completing it? How do we try it? How do
There's so many achievements, not gonna lie.
How do I drive into that glass? Like, how do I get all the way up there?
I don't know.
How do you do it?
Where are you, bro? I'm coming.
I'm at the glass.
Okay, just wait for me.
I'm confused.
See, now you're supposed to double jump, hover, and dive into the glass. Double jump, hover, and dive. Now hover. Yep. Now come. Yeah.
I've never had to try out everything.
That's the wrong area. You're supposed to get on that platform. Not here. Not here. Okay. Bro, come.
Yeah?
Come.
Where?
Okay.
What?
I fell down. Wait for me.
Okay. Microwave dinner.
But you made it.
I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna stand up right now. So what do you get?
I don't know.
Okay, we got everything again.
Okay. Yes.
Water and milk.
Nah. Alright, guys. We're gonna end the video after we collect this. 3, 2, 1. We have it! The microwave dinner. We have a microwave dinner. Take it to fridge as alcohol. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Peace out and see you later in the 5th episode. Peace.